everyone, welcome back to our next video on the Innovative Farming Machinery channel. We always create for you interesting videos and perspectives, visions of modern agriculture in the 4.0 era, the era of the most modern things. Today I will introduce to you the most modern and giant potato harvesting machines. To see what is special about them, let's explore with me. Legends is known for the cultivation of special machines. A machine from the program is the AR4BX, four-way carton fuller with high technical refinements. This can be done with the hydraulically paintable cabin under the two-way folded bunker. For the Gutfluss, since in the machine are 3 other subsequent Siebketten installed. After the inspection, follow the different roller cleaners before transporting the tubers in the machine with a bag elevator. With the Helper Ebene fördert a Bunkerbefillband die Kartoffeln in den 14T Überladung. Moreover, the long length of the self-propelled vehicle is straight, and the result is the same as the drehbaren Terratrack-Laufwerk im Heck und in both Genkenvorderrädern in der Frontlieg. These technical details are also included in the details, including a fully hydraulic support, flexible mounting systems, adjustable falls, or the special trolley elevator with internal and adjustable unsightly surrounding belts. Alle Besonderheiten im Detail lesen Sie in unserem Fahrbericht in der Profi. We spend a lot of time during the night. As long as the overall traffic is safe, it is easy to navigate. In the peaceful countryside, surrounded by vast fields and fresh air, there is a large potato farm. This farm is famous for its high-quality potatoes, but is facing many challenges due to harsh weather. Mr. Jean, a middle-aged farmer dedicated to his profession, is the owner of the farm. He has always been hard-working and passionate about his job, but is feeling the pressure from competing farms and a difficult harvest season. This year's harvest season is especially difficult due to unusual rain and storms, making the soil muddy and difficult to harvest. Yields are down, and Mr. John is worried about the future of the farm. Competition from neighboring farms is getting fiercer. These farms use newer technology and have higher productivity, threatening Mr. Nam's position in the market. The Ploeger AR4BX machine appears as a savior. This is one of the most advanced potato harvesters today, with the ability to operate effectively in harsh weather conditions. The machine is equipped with advanced automation technology, helping to harvest potatoes quickly and accurately. At first, Mr. John was a bit hesitant, because he had never used such high technology. But when he saw other machines working effectively on other farms, he decided to invest and test the Ploeger AR4BX. He was surprised and delighted to see the machine operating with outstanding speed and efficiency. Mr. John started learning how to operate the Ploeger AR4BX. At first, it was a bit difficult because the machine had many complicated features. But thanks to the detailed instructions and support from the company's technical team, he gradually grasped it. The machine sometimes encountered minor technical problems due to the muddy terrain, but Mr. John persevered to fix each problem one by one. He felt satisfied when he saw the potatoes being harvested quickly and regularly. Thanks to the Ploeger AR4BX machine, the farm's working efficiency increased significantly. Mr. John could harvest potatoes quickly and ensure quality, saving a lot of time and effort. The farm gradually restored its position in the market, During a harvest day, the Ploeger AR4BX machine suddenly had a technical problem due to a big storm that made the land too muddy. Mr. John felt panic because he was afraid of losing the crop. At the same time, a potato harvesting competition was held between farms in the area. Mr. John decided to participate to prove the ability of the Ploeger AR4BX machine and affirm his position. With the help of the technical team, Mr. John quickly fixed the machine's problem. In the competition, the Ploeger AR4BX performed exceptionally well, with its fast and efficient harvesting capabilities, helping Mr. John win the highest prize. Thanks to the Ploeger AR4BX, Mr. John's farm not only overcame the difficult harvest season, but also developed stronger than before. Mr. John feels more proud and confident in the future of the farm, knowing that he has a strong ally in the work.